Water. It may cover over 70% of our Earth's surface, yet accessibility to clean water is a major issue for many people around the world. That's why Toyota has developed a North American water stewardship strategy that protects this important resource and shares our water conservation know-how with others. Membrane bioreactors, reverse osmosis systems, and new paint shop processes allow us to recycle the water we use to build some of the world's most popular and beautiful vehicles. And all these things have made a big difference. Last year alone, we reused over 600 million gallons, and that's 600 million gallons we didn't need to withdraw from local water sources. We also use rainwater capture and smart irrigation systems in many of our North American facilities, including this state-of-the-art system at our North American headquarters in Plano, Texas, where 30-foot cisterns hold up to 400,000 gallons of rainwater runoff, and then distributes it to feed native landscaping on our 100-acre campus. It's also a shining example to our team members of Toyota's commitment to water conservation. We know every living thing needs water to survive. What we do today to protect this precious resource creates lasting value and builds a better tomorrow for us and the planet. Want to learn more about our water conservation activities and the Global Toyota Environmental Challenge 2050? Visit the Toyota Environmental Ideas and Actions site and help us make a better planet.